talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis, Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. Have to turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me what
do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. Oh, what are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you.
Hi Divinity Nation, what's up? So we're here about to head to the beach, but look at this, it's raining, so I don't know. But that not really changed on it because it's not like we're going to swim or anything.
What's up, people? I want to stay nice Sunday on good. Open to go to church and praise the Lord. You know?
I like your glasses.
Thanks.
So yeah, I did my makeup. Yes, I did my makeup to go to the beach. I do not care. When there's some people gonna be like, makeup to go to the beach. I mean, I'm going to jail. I'm not going to swim. And even if I go swim, I still have to put on makeup. A joke. Not all the time. I don't know if I'm gonna wear makeup all the time, but that's what's up. So I remember I wore this in like one of my previous vlogs and you guys were asking about it. Like, what is it? It's Colourpop's Limbo, the brown one, and then I put sugar from Colored Rain in the middle of my lips and kind of like press it together to give it a little ombre effect. So yeah, that's what that is. And I'm wearing Christy lashes again from Southern Beauty. I realized that they're sold out at the moment. They should be back in stock, so just check up on it, guys. Yeah, I'm very sorry about that because I love these lashes. So you see people are really like scooping them up. So make use of my discount code PS Divinity and all that good stuff so you guys can get some discount and things, because I don't know, say I'm looking out for y'all already. Alright, and if you want to see all my available discount codes, they're listed below in my description box. So yeah,
But you never could imagine, never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. For a little more, give a little less. Now you hit the compass, but baby, who is warm long as you around me? I swear that everything will be just fine. I wish that we could take some time. Go anywhere, baby, I don't mind. Grown man in my suit and tie. Hey, there's no way without you and I. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, there's no.
I'm living up LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. You don't wanna be high like me. Oh, I know a sad soul.
so make a quick stop at the Mega Mart, the one in Portmore. We need ice and chaser and stuff. Look right there, bird there. They're shooting. I just that one song there, one you have from our album. Where?
Oh, yeah.
You know the rest of them?
Nope.
Look on her pants. Oh yeah, look. Yeah, no. Like I have to hold my hand all the way up here to get it entirely in the shot. And it just make everything look extra. Like with my hand all the way up. That's why I hold it like this.
The party last shot there. How do
Then I jet, nigga, see you later.
it's a good this one.
Their life in bottles, I'm the one that faded. I believe that what's my problem? I was in the tunes, looking to make a vow soon. I'm getting up, filling up my cup, I see the crowd. Changing by the minute, and the record on repeat. Took a sip and another sip, and somebody said to me, "Hey baby, sitting on two or three shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. But you get it fucking cool for the liquor, and you die. Cool for the liquor, and you die.
Let the people call them in the jacket. We do some of the bar special Sunday. On the toes of that, get 3 bars in the bar. Get it nowhere else. Here we go. Right to be about foreigners in the place. I'm poor Boko Kitchen Coast here. We don't know what I'm
Guys, what are the food?
Oh, some boys go let them like, oh man. This one boy. Big up a big man this way in the party right now. Men are really small. I'm only a drinker. There's a bus of some friend. I want everyone.
We no curious. No, baby, it's not one for sure. With one like up them play with them cat.
When you see Echo 110, Cosme, Father, to speak up yourself, you're fighting the event. All them to stop it down like the game. But then that is so contradiction. Remember, it's a day and night event. The other event, special Sunday. You have some man them love bad up themselves too much. Let me tell you. Some man them bad in them community when them guys them are the biggest power. You don't probably know saying a girl and each other, but you can defend yourself anywhere in the world.
So you can see a thing happening time again, guys. So fast to just follow.
Alright
guys, we're leaving now. Not sure what we're going to do now, but it was a chill vibe as usual. We'll come here and explain this party.
Watch out, this thing has thing there.
Are they going to ride or not, man? Sure. So yeah, we're leaving. We had to pour more juice.
I'm not even in a stooping thing, you know. Wifey stoop. But yeah, you have to hold it up right to yeah, stretch. Yeah. Big one thing car. Watch your shall try to trick me now. Go on man, baiting strong. Them say sharp people miserable, you know. I think of them like a high cars.
Yo, just go on, man.
Go on, man, go on.
No, don't go on. Don't. Hola. Vlog life is not easy, my arm.
Video that.
That's Bird, by the way. And I remember him from the last set of vlogs.
Yeah? What's your name? Work. You work what? Oh. Yeah, man. Flag girl. I'm a nigga this.
Them know me tell them
Bird.
already.
No, me I tell them. Bird, aka Pencil, aka Israel. Yeah. busy. I text 1,000 million girl right now.
All
Game
the
style.
time. Beach
Yo, so
vibes.
y'all niggas know how to get to Broadway, my nigga?
Broadway.
I mean Boardwalk. Yeah, I'm thinking.
We're trying to go to Bachelor Chef Cookout. It's near here. It's keeping up Boardwalk Beach. So, come here and say, yo, when me look I got beer chilling on the farm.
Yeah, drive yourself. Where you go? See thing.
You say go back. Might I say me I tell come out of your phone and stop text girl in my youth and focus on the road.
Yeah, gonna dog.
What? Where me I go? Sir, right?
Yeah, go back where I come from, like we are going yard.
Alright then, Bridget. So I'm depend on
So sorry for go.
Wait there. Where I go?
Oh, go on.
Yo, yeah.
What? I'm confused. Oh my god.
Okay, dog. You got to go to the phone, dog.
Oh my gosh. I cannot
Janu.
deal.
Oh yeah, you see
Y'all are hilarious. But drop off, bird. You must go, bird. Just go back to the party now.
Believe me, in the every girl I feel me tell every girl I feel me. I'm in her and I beat her and sell out a bill. She still ring the bell. I tell you about my Chinese chick, my Japanese chick, the Trinidad chick, the Jamaican connection, the Brazilian chick. She thicker than a million brick. Honestly, me can't screw one and pull up on me yard. No few think I kill her, but you say me a the god. Me drive them hard, root and Hawkins, and me and bully battle.
Guys, so we finally come back here and I feel like I'm underdressed. Like I'm so casual right now because I never did plan for come here. Like we did not plan to be here. But then Michaela messaged me earlier on and asked me what my day because she was like, she saw my snap. She saw my snaps and was wondering because she saw me on the beach. So, and Boardwalk is literally like, oh, because remember I now go over Hillshire. If I never did mention too, no? I went to Prendes on the beach. I got something to eat and then up that party that keep over there again. And I'm in this high-waisted shorts and this blouse.
Same thing with that one from.
Yeah, they never did see it though. Me I show them and some Bridget and Divine there. Divine look good. Like he's fine. I just feel like me underdressed. You honestly feel like I look alright tonight? Okay. If you say so, then alright.
Yeah.
Alright, plug out the something. Road camera. You this? Yeah, oh,
It's a good time. Because everything
nice. Oh, yeah, MC what I want. One. Even remember, check out the bar.
Hello?
Yeah, she love light.
A lie. Stop this.
Engineer link up, you know what I mean? You know the box for the fast
Don't listen to him, yeah. Let me show you guys.
You understand? So, the road camera selection, right? The bar selectors, you know what I mean? You see it got it yourself. You know what I mean? You want to come and shut it out of the table.
Nice.
You want to do it, you mix it, right? You know they always have one bring something, you know what I mean? You see? Pop me to the right, you see that the table, so.
If it's the camera with the way.
Ding me, I defend my dub them, yeah. Good.
Kiss the foot them, kiss the foot them. 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 Do your body like a puppet on a string now. Do your body like a puppet on a string now. Do your body like a puppet on a string now. Big gun, let me dance for the dance. everybody about. Come to me about 4 weeks of the month. So them call breadfruit. But she roast and fry, roast and fry. She know the thing, no. Roast and fry, breadfruit. You don't catch it down, say. Farm breadfruit. You don't catch it down. Tell them if you want roast. You not catch it. No, me a crack the big. Girl come to the breadfruit game. She a sing, everybody dancing. All girls too. Me no do the man. Fruit roast, everybody get around this. Say she love off the breadfruit. So, watching at when this trap breadfruit have a race on at home. Breadfruit. You are breadfruit. Just tell me if you are.
People tell me something. I will bring back dancing in a dance one. I must say you done that crew. You know it. Everybody step on your right foot, right foot. Step.
Yeah, come. Come man, come, wait, wow.
Just jump from out the sun and bring back to me again. For your own. Like that,
Oh, you were standing all along. Him no one coming at the light, guys, because I have to use my phone to get it down and I will come from. Real talk never want. Look on, Michaela just. Yes, we not seeing you, right? It's better right here. Yeah, I think so. That's a favorite thing. Snapchat has taken over everybody's life.
Somebody right now, somebody pass on that. I know that's the best thing.
over there.
Boardwalk Beach. Yeah, me the one that when them up play, man. Yeah. What time is it? It's too done. It's too done. Me not like how them play, man. No 11 o'clock, but they might go over. Look how me I come good. I'm here for this. Me I come good all along. What is for me? That's good. That's good. That's a good thing. Boy with the shots Why?
Because I see how I am coming. Any happy
from a seat. Girl, jump up and ride it down. Come to just like a hooligan.
When these people love me, I don't want my boss to see the wind up me.
Try to run down and you can catch it. Running through these checks till I pass out. Shit, give me leg till I pass out. I swear to God, all I do is cash out. And if you win up,
Get up on my trap
I can sell it like a fifth grade. Really never made no difference with the shit I made.
What? Okay, the band, we know that you are a fan of the Joe Police. That a nigga try me. So guys, we're leaving now. We're going home. See Michaela there, she go home. Me and Divina go home.
It was a cool party, guys.
Yeah, it was cool. I enjoyed myself. Did you? Yeah, we lit. I can't name the vlog yet, we lit though, because I already have a vlog name, so. But yeah, like, it was a good Sunday. It didn't feel like a cliche Sunday. It was a good Sunday. I know it's somewhat dark. I'm sorry, guys. You enjoyed yourself, Divine? Huh? Huh?
That you feel now then.
Answer me now?
It's the man saying it true.
You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we didn't even plan for come here, so. But we end up here, so.
You walk body bedroom like
Oh,
you gonna tip me.
Alright, you just have to deal with it. But anyways, this is where I'm gonna end this vlog, guys.
Jesus
I'll
Christ.
see So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified each and every time that I have a new vlog uploaded. Alright?
Peace out, guys.
Yo, you should have
Yeah, Michaela. Yo, Michaela Liana. Yo, you need to subscribe to our makeup channel. Oh my gosh, she is live.
Family protection.
Zine. Alright,
Thanks,
so
guys. Wait, wanna park far?
down this so
this
just
side.
one. Later, yeah?
We can't jump. We're not cross the sun.
No, we're right this so
Oh.
Oh, alright, this so alright. Later, yeah?
Big things, big things.
British Link.
Baby. Me have to love you, baby. Drive me crazy. And nobody they so sexy, me sign you like Pepsi. Yeah, only a woman want to change me. So much I use silicone for face me. All when them get me number and text me, me telling them straight.